Bob Fowler here with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, and I'm standing in front of the Azimut Verve 40. You know, I'm fixing to celebrate with Kathy our 50th wedding anniversary, December the 20th. I can still spot a beauty. And this is an Italian beauty right here on the water in Panama City Beach. It's the only one in the entire Panhandle of Florida on the Emerald Coast. It is the Azimut Verve 40. And we're going to go and look at the boat, sort of spotlight the features, and we'll do a full featured video later on, but I'm going to hit some highlights on the boat in just a few moments so you can follow me. I did want to say that this boat has a Seakeeper, so you can be out in 4 or 5 foot waves and it's doing this, and you turn the Seakeeper on and she goes just like that. It's unbelievable. You can see the Verados. We'll talk about those, joystick piloting. And but I want to tell you about this Italian beauty right here in Panama City Beach. Again, this is Bob Fowler at MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Let's go take a tour. On the cockpit now of this beautiful Azimut 40 Verve, I want to just point out a few things. We're going to have a full features video later on. It takes more time to go through all the features. But just to point them out, as you can see, here's a full pad, but this table comes up, makes a full dining table. This bench, when you're doing that, slides forward, locks in. You've got an L-shaped bench, and also this bench, so you can see how many people you can sit around this dining table and enjoy your beautiful 40 Verve. Over here you have the grill and you have a refrigerator. Over on the other side you have an ice maker, a full sink and storage. Over again to the immediate right you have a full dive platform. This goes completely out. A dive and swim platform lays completely outside of the boat. And then over here, if you're docked next to a dock, it has a door that opens up and you can step inside the boat from the dock as well. Let's go to the helm. All right, at the helm of the 40 Verve, we have the full instrumentation panel here with your Raymarine side-by-side hybrid touch, your depth, your autopilot, your joystick for the Verado triple 350s back there on the back. Makes docking this boat a dream. This boat can walk sideways in the water, turn in its axis, go 45 degrees. Whatever you do with this joystick, this boat will do. You also have a bow thruster, which probably you'd never have to use it, but if you're in a lot of wind, you've got both. You've got the joystick plus the bow thruster as well. I like this, even though I'm 6'2", if you are vertically challenged, then you have this platform down here that I'm standing on that raises you up another 6.5 to 7 inches. So as you can see, the beautiful upholstery. This is electric for the captain. You can move it backwards, forwards, up and down. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now we're going to go down into the cabin, and this is really what sets this boat apart from any other day cruiser in its category. All right, in the cabin of the 40 Verve, as you can see, I'm 6'2". Look at this. You have no other day cruiser that has this kind of room in a day cruiser cabin. And as you can see, you got the full galley here with the stove, 2-burner stove, microwave. This is actually a TV that's going to be installed. You can see how new this boat is. We haven't even had it prepped yet. Your surround speaking sound. This right here, as you can see, it's already down to convert to a single bed. This also comes out, this cushion comes off, and you have a full dining table here, as well as, remember, the one on the outside. And beautiful pecan wood in here, flooring, beautiful, all your fabrics, very durable. And as you can see in here, and again, you can see the material. We haven't even prepped the boat. There's a lot of material just sitting on the bed, but you got a full bed up here. You've got 2 hanging lockers, and just a lot of room in this boat. Over here you have the full day head and shower. And again, look at this. I'm 6'2". Look at the room over my head. The full sink, the toilet of course, your pecan wood, and just a lot of room in here for a day head for your boat. All right, let's go to the front bow. All right, here I am on the beautiful bow of this Azimut 40 Verve. Look at this. You've got not only the seating couch and sofa, you've got the forward one, and this disappears into your storage. And then, oh boy, you're talking about comfort and relaxing. Oh, I can just imagine a beautiful day like today, going out and just lounging here on this beautiful Verve, and everybody going, what is that? This is the only Azimut Verve 40 in the entire panhandle of Florida. And I'd love to show it to you. Just give me a call at 850-527-5645. Again, this is Bob Fowler on the Azimut 40 Verve right here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Have a blessed day.